Good morning, viewers. Apple announced a major shakeup in its artificial intelligence division on Monday. Giannandrea, the company's AI chief since 2018, is stepping down. Giannandrea will be replaced by Amar Subramanya, an AI researcher who previously worked for Microsoft and Google's DeepMind unit. Subramanya will now serve as vice president of AI, reporting to software chief Craig Federighi, rather than directly to CEO Tim Cook as Giannandrea did. This change comes amid widespread expert criticism that Apple has fallen behind its tech peers, like Google and OpenAI, in the AI race. The company's flagship product, Apple Intelligence, has received poor reviews, and its most critical component, a significantly improved Siri assistant, was recently delayed until 2026. CEO Tim Cook stated that Federighi has already been instrumental in the AI efforts and will now assume further responsibilities. Subramanya will lead teams working on Apple's foundation models, research, and AI safety. Although Apple emphasizes running AI locally on its devices, its shares have lagged behind other major tech companies this year, whose investors are pouring billions into cloud infrastructure and frontier models. Adding to the competitive pressure, legendary Apple designer Jony Ive recently sold his startup to OpenAI and plans to help the AI lab develop its own hardware, a move that analysts say could eventually challenge Apple's core loyalty among its customer base.